Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotsitter, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Harmony. Russians look to UAE-based crypto firms for safeguarding wealth. In the chokehold of international sanctions and economic uncertainty, Russians have reportedly been seeking means of getting their wealth out of the country. Reuters reports that one of the ways being explored and used is crypto. Russians flood Dubai crypto firms with crypto transaction requests in their quest to find outlets for their wealth. Russians are looking to countries that have not put sanctions against them in place. This is where Dubai and the UAE come in. Reuters cites executives of crypto come to the TVL on Polkadot. Earlier this year, the network raised $22 million in a strategic funding round led by Polychain with high-profile investors such as Alameda Research, Alchemy Ventures and Crypto.com giving their support to Astar's vision. BUILD Tourin with their BUILD Tourin program, Astar wants to revolutionize how developers are incentivized to build blockchain software and harness a self-sustaining ecosystem for the future. Smart contract developers can receive abatements who wish to remain anonymous, saying that their firms have received more than usual business propositions from Russians. We've had like 5 or 6 in the past 2 weeks. None of them have come off yet, they've sort of fallen over at the last minute, but we've never had this much interest. One executive said the firms have fielded inquiries from the Belarusians as well, the report noted. Some of the requests were to convert crypto to cash for stashing in the country or other locations. Requests have also been coming in to buy Dubai real estate with crypto according to one broker at a real estate firm that accepts crypto. Amid the war, the UAE is one of the countries yet to impose sanctions on Russia. In the past, the two countries have maintained amicable ties, so the flight of Russians to the country is not surprising. However, concerns persist that Russians that have this technical advancements paired with the flexibility of substrate has attracted the second largest developer community. Now that parachains are live, it is time to showcase the developers' capabilities to the world. When projects participate in a crowdfund for a parachain slot, they often gather the support of their communities in exchange for their native token. Equilibrium won the most recent parachain slot with over 610,000 DOT and 1,685 contributors. Unique Network is positioning its project for the next parachain with over 524,000 DOT contributed from 2,271 contributors. Each parachain brings unique functionality and use cases to the ecosystem. Layer by layer, issue 26. Solana, Near, and Polkadot quick take. In this weekly series, we dive into some of the most interesting data and developments across the Layer 1 blockchain landscape. From DeFi and bridges to network activity and funding, new cross-chain protocols continue to emerge, spurred on by persistent demand for interoperability and shared liquidity between chains. Unified strategies between L1s, bridges, and DeFi protocols are proving to be effective at streamlining user adoption. This week, we take a look at Solana, Near, and Polkadot users. With the help of the recently injected capital, Consensus will also focus on scaling its flagship developer, Infer. Consensus CEO Joseph Lubin, one of the co-founders of the Ethereum blockchain, says that his company has broad and deep capabilities in a statement. Taking aim at Solana in a newly published interview with the Financial Times, Lubin took a swipe at Solana, a rival cryptocurrency network, claiming that it has to work on developing a sustainable business model. As reported by U. Today, Bank of America recently predicted that Solana would keep chipping away at the market share of its bigger rival due to its fast and cheap transactions despite the centralization trade-off. The next news about metaverse banking, HSBC enters the sandbox as JP Morgan tests Decentraland. With major financial institutions increasingly moving into the metaverse, UK bank HSBC is the first global financial services provider to enter virtual world The Sandbox, following in the steps of US-based banking giant JP Morgan, which recently set up a lounge in another virtual world, Decentraland, Mono. The British bank said it sees great potential to create new experiences through emerging platforms, opening up a world of opportunity for our current and future customers, and for the communities we serve. The bank will acquire a plot of land, virtual real estate in the Sandbox metaverse, which will be developed to engage and connect with sports, experts, and gaming enthusiasts, per their announcement. HSBC is joining the ranks of more than 200 partners of Animoca brands-operated virtual worlds such as Warner Music Group, Adidas, Ubisoft, and Gucci. The partnership with HSBC could be particularly important for the Sandbox's increased integration with the global financial infrastructure. With some United States dollars 2.96 trillion in assets, as of the end of 2021, the UK business is one of the world's largest banking and financial services organizations. Meanwhile, this past February, international consultancy Accenture estimated that banking in the metaverse could mark another transforming frontier for the world's banks, with some observers predicting the metaverse to be a United States $8 trillion opportunity. As mind-bending as this new environment may seem, banks need to consider the possibilities that will transform everything from the basics to the future of business, according to Accenture's leading banking directors. With banks now starting to jump on the metaverse bandwagon, it's important to strike a balance between the prescriptive and the curious. Virtual and augmented reality is already shaping the way banking industry leaders see the future of their sector across the globe, as indicated by research commissioned by the Digital Banking Report. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0.25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.